Well, tropical update at 7 a.m. PST, June 25th. Andrea, only that's three advisories. The ANC downgraded because obviously it became devoid of convection, but it's still well organized. Tight LSC, tiny bit of convection trying to form, moving east-north, eastward along the northern side of the Azores Ridge. Obviously, this is the Azores Ridge right here. But that easy come, easy go, and in postseason they'll be standing it backwards about 24 to 36 hours. And that's just the way it is. I got a little bit of pressure down here, a tropical wave, but not expecting to develop. Nothing else expected to develop in the next 7 days in the Atlantic. That's just the way it is. Eastern Pacific, we got a 40-80 system in the next 2 to 7 days. Should probably form this weekend, but models are not exactly super supportive because there's easterly shear, but one can make a case it's already a depression because it has a well-defined LC. But you have strong. You got your strong shear, as you can see. That is an extremely well-defined LC. Convection to the north. Many of these have been upgraded in the Caribbean and eastern off of Mexico. But you have strong easterly shear, which is preventing from radializing. This could be the case for the next 96 hours. As you can see, models only show it really strengthened after 96 hours. But about 5 knots lower than 5 to 10 knots lower than it was yesterday. Here's the models. There's the GEPS, shows just off Mexico like Barbara. GEFS, a little bit further off Mexico, but not by much. There's a hurricane model, shows a decent spread. From those models to a little bit further offshore. Let's look at CMC. You got a couple lows. It doesn't really show any 5, but anyway, there's 66 in GFS, 96. It takes its time, but it's only after about 4 days you start getting a system trying to develop. And move just offshore Mexico at 983 millibars at 144 hours. Eight 987 on the CMC. Jesus. ECMF barely develops it. That's what we have on this system. Let's look at the GFS. Let's go 120 for the Atlantic. You have nothing. This is 168. You have nothing. Let's look at some other systems. CPAT is a depression just off Japan. Really, not much. Should be coming a remnant low very soon. 3W that has formed in the China Sea is off China. Has 25 knot winds. Should be making landfall soon, the next day. I expect it to strengthen. Maybe becoming a tropical storm. We'll see. Let's see what else we have. Oh, 97W. Wow. Only 50 knot wind. It's very disorganized. Yeah, it doesn't have much mall support, but moves northwestward if it does. Well, that is your topic update.